Hello students, in video number 1 we already find out the generator polynomial for BCH code. Now in second type of numerical we will find how the transmitted code word will be generated. Numerical is design the generator polynomial for 15,5 BCH triple error correcting code. Find transmitted code vector for message bit 11010 and take the primitive polynomial x raised to 4 plus x plus 1. Here primitive polynomial already is given, n is given, k is given and message is given. So if primitive polynomial is not given, then according to procedure first we will find the what is the m, and according to m we will decide the which will be the primitive polynomial. Okay, so for m is equal to 4, take always primitive polynomial as x raised to 4 plus x plus 1. So solution for this numerical is given n is equal to 15. So from that 15, m log of base to n plus 1. So m is coming 4. So primitive polynomial is given as x raised to 4 plus x plus 1 because m is equal to 4. Now we have to construct the Galois field 2 raised to 4. So that is the 2 raised to m. So using primitive polynomial x raised to 4 plus x plus 1, we have Galois field of 2 raised to 4, that is 2 raised to m. Already we know the procedure how to construct the Galois field for m is equal to 4. So how is the 2 raised to 4? That means 2 raised to 4 means how many primitive elements are there? Total 16, and starting with 0 to 1, alpha, alpha square, cube 4 up to alpha raised to 15. This much total number of 16 elements are there, and primitive polynomial is x raised to 4 plus x plus 1, replacing x by alpha. So it is alpha raised to 4 plus alpha plus 1 is equal to 0, and alpha raised to 4 is equal to alpha plus 1. Here no minus sign is existing because in Galois field plus and minus sign having the same parity. So by finding this elements, that is the Galois field element, now procedure is find the minimal polynomial. In BCH numericals, most important part is the which are the minimal polynomials we are finding according to the sequence. This is the important part. Okay, students, this is the roots of the given elements. You are finding alpha raised to 5 is equal to alpha square plus alpha. This is the exceptional part in BCH numerical. You can skip this part also, but important is you must know which are the minimal polynomial for which group of elements m1 is there. So starting with first alpha, that means we are putting this alpha as a beta, then beta raised to 2, then beta raised to 2 raised to 2, then beta raised to 2 raised to 3, that is the 8. So it is coming alpha 8. So this pair of combination having same minimal polynomials. So m1 of x is equal to x plus alpha, then x plus alpha square, then x plus alpha raised to 4, then x plus alpha raised to 8. So by multiplying this 4, we get x raised to 4 plus x plus 1. This is the minimal polynomial first, that is the m1 of x. Now same likewise here we will already we find it that alpha and alpha square and alpha raised to 4, the minimal polynomial is this. So in this table alpha cube is remaining. Now we will replace beta is equal to alpha cube. So starting with this beta is equal to alpha cube, beta square, that means alpha cube square, then beta 2 raised to 2, that means alpha cube raised to 4, then beta raised to 2 raised to 3, that means alpha cube raised to 8. So now this bracket indicates the multiplication process is there. So we'll have the same polynomials. Now this pair, that means alpha cube, alpha 6, alpha 12 and alpha, here 24 should be there, but that 24 is nothing but alpha 15 into alpha 9. But as alpha 15 is equal to 1 and alpha 9 is equal to alpha 9. So alpha 15 into alpha 9, that is alpha 24, it's coming alpha 9. So this is the pair, all these elements having this minimal polynomial. So x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x square plus 1, it's for alpha cube, alpha 6, alpha 12 and alpha 9. Now this is the m1 and m3, that is the minimal polynomial. Now as I am using the formula generate a polynomial, g of x is equal to LCM m1 of x and m3 of x. Because here suppose TC is equal to 2. That means error correcting capability, if it is given is equal to 2, then our formula exists up to 2TC minus 1. That means 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. That means up to m3 only. That means m1 and m3. So take these two polynomials. Why m1? Because you are starting with this alpha raised to 1, that is beta is equal to alpha raised to 1. So it is m1 of x. Here you are finding the minimal polynomial alpha cube, that is it is so m3. So likewise, so LCM of this, multiplication of this 2 is equal to multiplication of this two minimal polynomial. I am getting this g of x, this is the g of x. Now coming to our numerical, this is the procedure to find out the minimal polynomials. Students, please make it habitual to find the minimal polynomial, and please be remember which are the sets for the specific minimal polynomial, because generator polynomial we are using or primitive polynomial we are using, that is fixed x cube plus x plus 1 or x raised to 4 plus x plus 1. So for this primitive polynomial, we must know which are the combinations or the set for which what is the minimal polynomial. Again, same procedure, the minimal polynomial m1 of x, m3 of x, now m5 of x. Here we find out m5 of x because in our numerical it is triple error correcting code. So TC is equal to 3. So 2TC minus 1 means 2 into 3, 6 minus 1. So it is coming up to 5. So m1 of x, m3 of x and m5 of x. So taking three polynomials which already we have found. Now multiplying these three polynomials, first, second and third, that is m1, m3 and m5. So multiplying this, remember that x9 plus x9, always answer is 0. They are cancelling with each other because in Galois field 1 plus 1 is 0. It is XOR operation. So your term is coming x raised to 10, x raised to 8, x raised to 5, 4, x cube square plus x plus 1. Now cross check that whatever the power is coming here for the g of x, it is always n minus k. So it is our n is equal to 15 and k is equal to 5. So 15 minus 5, 10 is coming. So your g of x is correct. This is the cross check procedure. So this is g of x finding. Now again message is given that 11010. That message is given and question is find the transmitted code word. That means this is the encoding procedure. So in that actual message added with parity bits, we will transmit as a encoder output. So this is the message. Again convert this message bits into the polynomial, that is the message polynomial. So this m of x is your message polynomial, not the minimal polynomial. So starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is x raised to 4 is present. then x cube is present, then x square is 0. So 0 multiplied by x square is not there. Then again x, and again x raised to 0 is 0. So there is absence. So this is the message polynomial x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x. Now we have two procedures finding the BCH code for the non-systematic BCH code and systematic BCH code. But again, non-systematic BCH code is little bit lengthy and not is in use actually, because we can't separate message beats and the parity beats in non-systematic BCH code or any non-systematic code word. So we prefer the systematic BCH code by using this formula: C of x is equal to x raised to n minus k into m of x plus remainder x raised to n minus k into m of x divided by g of x. So first of all, find out the remainder of this division. So x raised to n minus k is nothing but x raised to 10 multiplied by the message polynomial. So it is coming as x raised to 14 plus x raised to 13 plus x raised to 11 and divided by the generator polynomial which already defined. So x raised to 10, 8. Now complete, divide this x raised to n minus k into m of x by g of x. So x raised to 14 and here x raised to 10. So for this division we want x raised to 14. So multiply this x raised to 10 by x raised to 4 to get x raised to 14. So multiplication of x raised to 10 into x raised to 4, it is x raised to 14. So likewise, first of all put here x raised to 4 and multiplied x raised to 4 to this whole g of x and write down the term here. Again same, that is the 14, 14, that means 1 plus 1 0. So same polynomial we cancel it and remaining again write down. Again here x raised to 13, so here x raised to 10. So again we require x raised to 3. Likewise, we will follow the procedure of our polynomial division method and find out the remainder. Follow the continue the division till whatever the power of this remainder, it is less than this divisor. So here x raised to 9 and here is the x raised to 10. So this 9 is less than 10. So stop here and this is the remainder. Now what is our code word according to the formula? It is this x raised to n minus k into m of x, that means up to this, plus x raised to 9, 8, 5 plus x plus 1. This is the remainder. Now starting with 0 to 14. So that means total 15 bits are there in code word. So write down the bits for this polynomial, code word polynomial, as 14 is present, so 1, 13 is present, so 1, 12 is absent, so it is 0, 11 is present, so 1. Likewise, we are getting this 15 bits as a code word, and check that this 11010, this first 5 bits are your message bits and the remaining 10 bits are the parity bits or check bits. So we can easily separate out this 5 message bit and parity bits. So this is the systematic code word. And students, these questions are coming for 8 marks, 10 marks or 12 marks according to the question type. So prepare accordingly, procedure wise, follow the steps and cross check your answers with g of x or powers. So happy learning. Bye bye.